I'm Fish. I tell you, this is the way you want to get your mic on. Shake, and it won't come off. I don't have to worry about centering it, but it's on there. That's the way I do my mic. I tell you, just go get yourself an Insta360 Go Ultra or DJI Osmo Nano, because I don't think you can get an extra Atto magnetic pendant. You don't want the Insta360 Mic Air pendant. That's just too micro small. The Insta360 Pro Mic, we're on blue, and that means no artificial noise canceling. We're on the natural omnidirectional sound. I'm talking nice and natural. And I am about a nollie sign from the camera. A mic pointing up. Yeah, Fish. You said camera. I'm about a nollie sign from the microphone. I think I'm getting old. I think that's what happens when you get old. Sometimes you maybe get a little forgetful to say what you want to say. But if I am by the microphone and I long press the mic off, and now with green light, I don't have a red light, and that's when I do my twist. I'm thinking I'm looking for a red light. So yeah, I'm shooting with the Insta360 X5 today. How does it look? How does it sound? I'm in free framing mode. I'm not happy the way my camera's set up. I'm going to have to stop you. For the reasons of, if I start my video and it's this way, it goes landscape, what I want. So I have a nice large screen, but not looking at a portrait camera. So will my video come out correctly, or will it come out sideways? I don't know. I can't remember it all. So yeah, I got the shots I wanted to get. And I can sit here, stop, triple press my mic, change my aviator or my logo, put on what I want, take my time, and do my talk, and keep on changing it. I'm pretty happy with the smiley face on there. You see what I got? See how I remote control? Just hit the right side. You can set up 32-bit float. Then you can change everything in the application. I find it difficult for me to look into the camera to get to certain settings. I'm holding the Insta360 3mm meter stick, and it's about one length open with the length open, giving me almost the same feel as the free framing selfie stick. I'm waiting for free frame selfie stick to be available again, and maybe I'll make another purchase. I was going to purchase it, but it's out of stock. And it gives me the ability with my thumb to control everything rather than reaching for the camera if I want one. It's a little difficult at first to open up. That's how things are. Well, I am Fish, and I am practicing once again with the X5. Open, tailgates open, probably packing up, going out for a wonderful day. Well, yeah, raindrops again. That's the way it is, man. What a wonderful wet weekend it was. Well, I did what I had to do, shared what I had to share, show what I wanted to show. And on that note, I'm getting on out of here, packing you on up, putting you away for another another shiny day. Have a great one, everybody. I'll see you on the next one.